ensure this outcome.
Alright, some assurances coming in from the Prime Minister himself. We'll keep a lookout for what else he has to say and get you the highlights in the day ahead. But let's switch focus to more news now. It's been more than a year since teenager Arushi Talwar was found dead in her house in Noida. But the case is getting murkier with another twist. Reports suggesting that the teenager's vaginal swabs were swapped, and now the government hospital's pathologist Richa Saxena, the first to test the sample, is under the scanner. The UP Chief Secretary says Dr. Saxena had been marked absent on the date she was supposed to carry out the test, but she herself has denied it. Speaking to CNN-IBN, the former medical superintendent of that hospital, Dr. S.C. Singhal, has said the CBI should return and reopen the case and investigate some of these loopholes.
Dr. Singhal, it's clear now that the swabs were tampered with. You think it happened in your hospital?
No, I've not seen the reports, but
It's clear now. I mean, CBI has said that the swabs were tampered with.
on the day of the murder, probably on 16th, and Dr. Sunil Dore conducted the post-mortem. On the same day, he sent the two vaginal slides to the pathological department of our government hospital. And the same day, Dr. Richa Saxena examined, and she reported that she didn't find any spermatozoa in the
But
slide.
you suspect it might have happened in your hospital?
It may happen here also, or it may happen somewhere else also.
You think it's intentionally done, or you think it's a human error?
So both things can be possible. Can be intentionally done, or it may be human error.
You think Dr. Richa Saxena has done it? She was the one who tested the
Yeah.
first slide.
Yeah.
So let me get you correctly here, Dr. Singhal. You are saying, number one, that the slides might have been tampered at the Noida Government Hospital. Number two, you were saying that it might have been a human error. And number three, you were saying that Dr. Richa Saxena might have done the tampering with the slides.
Yeah.
And you agree to all of that.
Right.
You think that the CBI is somewhere, should come back to this hospital in Noida, and then only they can solve this case?
Certainly, they should find it, and they should reopen the case.
Okay, more news now, something that's definitely going to embarrass the administration after a theft at Rashtrapati Bhavan. News of one more robbery again at another high-security area of the capital. A gold watch that belonged to Lal Bahadur Shastri has been stolen from his memorial near Tughlaq Road. The memorial is located right next to Sonia